Greetings everyone. It is day 5 of insulation and we should be finishing up. We only have this little section back here where Kerri is. But when we arrived this morning, there was a raccoon attack overnight. And I'll show you what that looks like here in a photo.
That was about $100 worth of raccoon attack, wouldn't you think?
It's probably about right. Tore up quite a bag and a half, I guess, of insulation, and 80 bucks or 70 something bucks a bag, I guess it is. There you go. I am under the crawl space now, and what we're doing is we're looking for light coming through like that over there, because that tells us the insulation isn't tight enough there, and it didn't seal well. So I'm gonna crawl over there, poke my hand up, and that way Kerri can put a little piece in that section. Muy bien. Okay.
Okay, done. We finished.
Yes, insulation's done. That will be inspected 2 days from now. We treated the house for trying to keep the raccoons out of there. So we tried spraying some ammonia around. Hopefully they don't like that and they'll stay away.
Yeah, I hope so.
Just in case, we do have 6 bags of insulation for backup left over. So if something gets torn up, we'll fix it with those.
So now order plywood for the subfloor.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then once the plywood's down, then we don't have to worry about the insulation getting torn up anymore.
Right.
So, all right. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.
See ya.